Hey, what's up, guys? Here we go, drawing the mini for the Shooting Edge gift card package. We got Chris and Derek on this one. Derek going heavy and hard on this one, so good luck, guys. And dice roll. Roll the two-sided die, and it is 9 times. 9 times. Alright, time is 6:44. So we will take the list. Chris, and then all Derek. Chris, and Derek. So, let's get started. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Ooh, Chris pulls one out. We got Derek in top and Chris on the bottom. Alright, so take this, copy. Alright, thanks, guys. We'll maybe run this mini later, or the main a little bit later tonight. I think everybody's paid up, so alright, thanks, guys.